Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see some basic Linux commands. So let's get started. So for this tutorial I will be using my Kali Linux virtual machine. So let's start. So let me actually show you the list of commands which we'll be learning in this video. So in order to execute these commands, we'll have to open the terminal. You can open it from here, or you can basically go to this start and then search for terminal, and you can open it up from here as well. So mine is already open. So let's start with the commands now. So first on our list is pwd, which stands for print working directory. So what this command basically does is it shows where you are currently. So let's execute this command pwd. So it says that we are here /home/kali/desktop. all right, and then the next command is cd, which stands for change directory. So this command is basically used to go from one location to another location. For example, let's create a folder here on our desktop. Let's call it test. Okay, so as you can see, we have created this new folder here. So suppose I want to go from desktop into this new folder test. So I will do it simply by typing in test cd test. All right, and then hit enter. So as you can see, I am inside this folder. So this is how this command works. So the next command in our list is ls. So ls stands for list command. Okay, so now let me open up this folder and then let's create another folder here. All right, and I will just call it test1. okay, so if I want to see what is there inside this test folder, I can do it with the help of this command, list command. So what I will type in is ls and hit enter. So this will say that hey, you have another folder inside this folder which is called test1. all right, so now we have a few options with this folder which are -a, -l and -r. So let's see what this options does. So if you want to just see the contents which are present inside a particular folder, then you can use this ls command. And if you want to see hidden files as well, then you can type in ls-a. So what this command will do is it will show hidden files as well along with normal files. So let me hit enter. So as you can see, it is showing this dot, double dot, and then test1, and then another option which is -l. So what this command does is it gives us extra information about this about the files which are present inside a particular folder. So as you can see, it is showing the read and write permission here, and the information about the owner, its size in bytes, and then date and time and all other information. all right, and so the next command is clear now. In case you want to keep your terminal clean, then you can use this command which is clear. Just type in clear and hit enter. So this will be like a fresh terminal now. So the next command is make directory command. So this command is used in order to make new folders. all right, so this is my test folder, inside which we have this folder called test1. So like suppose if I want to create another folder now, then I can create with the help of this command. So I will type in mkdir and then the name of this new file. So let's call it test2. So as you can see, test2 is created here now. So suppose if I want to remove this folder we just created, then I will type in rmdir, which stands for remove directory, and then type in the name of the file which is test2. So this will delete that particular folder. all right, so the next command in our list is cat command. So this command is basically used for two operations. all right, the first operation is it concatenates two files. So let me actually create two documents here. empty file. So I will call the first one as sample1.txt, and another one as sample2.txt. all right, so I will just add some text to this files. So this text is from sample1.txt. all right, I will save this file. So I will do the same for sample2.txt as well. This text is from sample2.txt. okay, I will save this one as well. So let me open the terminal now. So let me clear the screen here. So using cat command we can actually see the contents of the text documents or any file. So let me show you how it can be done. So let me type in cat, and then so it's on desktop, so we'll have to go back. We can see the content of a file using cat command. So this can be done as cat, and then you need to type in the file name, which is sample1.txt in our case. So let me type in that and hit enter. So you can see it is showing the text which was in that particular file, sample1.txt. so this text is from sample1. So you can also merge two files and create a new file out of it. So let's do that. Cat sample1.txt, sample2.txt, and then you need to add this greater than arrow and then type in the name of the new file. So I will call it new.txt. so the command is we need to type in cat and then like the file name of the first file and the file name of the second file which we want to merge together, and then we need to add this greater than sign and then the file name of the new file which we'll be creating, then hit enter. Now if we want to see the content of this new file, then we can simply type in cat new.txt, and as you can see we have this text from both the files, sample1.txt and sample2.txt. so this is how you can use cat command for merging this two files together. And then next command we have is man command. So command is like a reference manual which we get inside Linux and this is used to learn more about any command. all right, now suppose if I want to know more about a specific command, let's say I want to know more about man, so I will type in man. all right, so this will say an interface to the system's reference man, and it will give you a lot more option to learn more about man. So you can read it from here and then you can press Q to quit it. all right, and then if you want to learn more about copying files, then you can type in man cp and then hit enter. The next command which we have is cp command. all right, now for this command let's actually try to copy this file sample1.txt into this folder. So for that we need to type in cp and then our source file name, which is sample1.txt in this case, and then destination, which is test. all right, test folder. So I will type in test and then hit enter. As you can see we have successfully copied sample1.txt inside our test folder. all right, so now next is, I guess it's move command. Yes, it is. So a move is pretty much similar to copy only. So let us try to move sample2.txt in this case now into our test folder now. okay, so for that type in mv sample2.txt and then type in destination, which is test. So we have successfully moved our sample2.txt into our test folder now. So this is how you can move files in Linux. And then we have ps command. So this command is used in order to see the currently running processes in our system. So when I type ps, as you can see I have bash running and this ps command, and then if I type in ps-ef, this will give me a list like this. And then the last command we have in our list is history command. So let me clear it up first, and then when I type in history, so it will give me a list of all commands that were executed earlier. Let me clear it up. And then you can also use your up and down arrow keys in order to access the previously written commands from here. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching it, and I will see you guys in the next video.